In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage permissions in Zoho CRM for users. To get started, first open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're logged in with an account that has permission to manage user settings. This is important because if you don't have admin level access, some of the options we're about to use may not be visible. Once you're inside Zoho CRM, look toward the top area of the screen and click on Setup. This is the main place where you can control system settings, user access, and configuration options for your CRM. If you're new to Zoho CRM, think of Setup as the control center where most administrative changes are made. After opening Setup, go to Security Control and then click on Profiles. Profiles are what determine what different users are allowed to see and do inside Zoho CRM. This means that if you want to control permissions for a team member or a group of users, this is one of the key areas you'll work with. From the Profiles section, you have two options. You can either click Edit on an existing profile if you want to update permissions for users who are already assigned to that profile, or you can create a new profile if you want a separate set of permissions for a specific role or team. Choosing between editing and creating depends on whether you want to change current access or build a more customized permission setup from scratch. If you decide to edit an existing profile, simply open that profile and review the available settings. If you create a new one, make sure it matches the type of access you want that group of users to have. This helps keep permissions organized and avoids giving users more access than they actually need. Next, inside the profile settings, locate the Manage Automation option. This permission controls whether users can access and manage automation-related features in Zoho CRM. Once you find it, toggle it on, and that's it. After enabling Manage Automation, the profile will include that permission for any users assigned to it. Just make sure to save your changes if needed, so the update is properly applied. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to double-check profile permissions after making changes, especially if multiple users depend on that profile. That way, you can confirm they have the right level of access without affecting other areas of the CRM. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to manage permissions in Zoho CRM for users.